So now we create our return, and the return statement defines what the UI would look like. In our return, we have a div containing h2 and other HTML elements such as the button, which along the line will be adding, and the input, where we would need to input data for the component to manage internally, and we need an unordered list as well. So type equals text specifies that this is the text input, okay, and the value is equal to the input, which binds the input value to the input state. Now the on change is set to E with an arrow function set input and e.target.value. Okay, that updates the input state whenever the user types in the input field, setting it to the current value. So the input needs to be updated. So if I'm inputting cook needs to be set to the current value. Placeholder is going to add a new item to the to-do, so we have add a new to-do, and now we create our button. It's always best to install AIs into your text editors. So I have Blackbox installed in my VS Code, and sometimes it saves me time from typing, because at the end of the day I'm still going to type the same thing. Boom, figured it out. Yeah, so I think we are done. Just need to terminate.